Hey guys, welcome to The Strong Young Man. Nothing in life is ever free. Any free offer of something from anyone always comes at a price. Learn to judge everything based on the sum total that it costs you and not just its monetary value. Everything has a price, and if you acquire something for free or underpay, it will likely cost you something else in the long run. The bargain exchange can come at the cost of one of the following: time, health, effort, quality, and most importantly, your independence. You must consider that a bargain exchange can upset the dynamic on a subconscious level by compromising your control, your flexibility, and your independence. In order to retain all of these, it is often worth paying the full price. Only money can be quantified, and the others are open to interpretation, and thus they can be scaled in order to suit the vendor or the merchant. Examples of this are a car salesman who offers you a free coffee. You will experience an obligation to fulfill their next request because of the psychological price tag. Using performance-enhancing drugs to shortcut the time it takes you to reach your fitness goals. You may reach your goals, but at what cost to your health? An acquaintance that is offering you a gift or a favour. It is okay to get into this kind of exchange with friends, but be careful when setting up this kind of exchange with an acquaintance. It could be a ploy for them to get what they want. Saving money by doing things yourself, which may cost you your time. If your time is worth more than the money that you save, then it costs you more in the long run. You must understand that in every facet of life, there is always an exchange. Desired outcomes always come at a cost. You must objectively determine the cost of everything and outsource it accordingly. Most of the time, these exchanges take place on a subconscious level because money is the only finite and tangible commodity. Learn to judge everything based on what it costs you totally in the long run before committing to something. Given the flexibility of the other commodities, time, health, effort, quality, and independence, learn to judge the value of the exchange on what these mean to you personally. For me, my health is weighted significantly heavier than any of the other commodities. If a shortcut costs me my health, the price tag skyrockets. Hence, I'm willing to pay extra for organic food. Conversely, I don't mind putting in hard work, so if something comes with a physical or mental burden, then I could snap up quite a bargain compared to other people less inclined to put in effort. Apply this concept to yourself and your own exchanges in order to determine the sum total that something costs you. Everyone is different and will value different things. Manipulate the exchange to suit you personally and get things on your terms. Understand that what has value is worth paying for. Sometimes it is best to pay full price or even extra in order to save you more in the long run. Finally, remember that nothing ever costs nothing. Thanks for watching today's episode. The topic of episode 42 is your purpose. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when it drops. Catch you then.